someone broke in. They basically took everything. I had a 5:30 a.m. flight to leave for our race in Virginia. Alright, so we're here in beautiful Virginia at VIR Raceway. It's our first event back since the whole COVID pandemic started. We're doing our social distancing here. We're enjoying the view. It's beautiful here. Welcome, Steve Streimer, just joined the team. What do you think?
Really excited to be back here at VIR and racing with my last year's teammate Johan Schwartz as well.
Yeah, I am super excited. This is kind of my home track. We've had good success. We won the last two races. I won one, Steve won the other one.
Yep.
So I think combined success we've had has been quite good, and we're hoping that we're going to be able to repeat that again this year.
About ready to get started. It's going to be a good time.
Just wrapped up the first day of testing. We had some struggles with car issues throughout the day.
We'll be needing this fuel. Gonna pump it out of this one and move it on over to that one.
And so we've made the decision as a team, we're going to be switching over to the HARD Motorsport car tomorrow with practice one.
Should we probably build something on that we can actually drive up the car?
Doing that?
Oh, it was right to my face!
Second time I've dealt with this setup, and for the second time it's late at night, and for the second time we'll be here for a while. So we are making it happen, because that's what we do.
Calm down then.
I will not calm down. You don't tell me what to do. We won the war. I tell you what to do.
This is part of the show where you guess how much one of these tires costs. Is it A, 250 bucks? Is it B, 350 bucks? Is it C, $575, or is it D, $800? Put it in the comments.
That's good.
That's good.
I think that's good.
All right.
Anything else you guys need from me?
No, sir.
All right.
Cool. Get a good night's sleep, and we got a big day tomorrow.
All right, sounds good.
Great session. The car kept getting better and better based on what we talked about on the radio, and we dealt a lot with the shocks, which is a great tuning tool for the KNWs. You go out and then you feel the change instantly, so it's cool when you can do that. It's a lot of fun.
I had a great first session. It's first time in the number 30 car, and really everything went well. Getting way more comfortable in the car. Got a couple of things going on with the rear diff we're going to check out, and put a good setup on it for qualifying.
We'll tune it in next session. But that's your lift and the right rear problem.
Got it.
So the car is just laying over way more than it should.
Got it, okay. It sounded like the diff was making a little clunky coming in here.
It's like more of almost a rock in the...
Oh, like a rock in the caliper or something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just finish up some suspension adjustments, and we'll be done with it. Put the wheels back on, pull it out, and be ready for qualifying.
Fully full too.
We didn't put 20 gallons in it.
What?
We did not put 20 gallons in it. Has that one been pumped out? double check with Andrew. I asked him if it had been pumped out. He said yes.
I shut it off because I was asking about sputtering and shit. Hey, what? It has been pumped out, yeah. So it is go time. It is qualifying day, and cars are prepped. I think the driver's got a good night's sleep, I hope.
Yeah, absolutely.
What are we gonna do?
Well, we're going to go as fast as we can, right?
Yeah.
The crew has given us everything that they got, so now it's up to Steve and I. I'm looking forward to it. We get about a window of 2, maybe 3 laps to get it done in, so it's a high pressure situation.
I likewise am excited. We made some changes to the car last night, and real excited to give those a try. It's all about just getting a clean area of the track and hitting our marks.
Everything considering, I think, we qualified second, we lost pole by 200, so that's always a bummer. Now it's about the race, and the race is a whole different deal. It's 40 minutes, a lot of things going on, tire conservation, strategy, all that stuff. So it's going to be interesting to see how that pans out, but I think we'll have a good race car, for sure.
We made a few changes to the car. Fortunately, it looks like we went the wrong way. Ended up with a real loose car, and just couldn't get the power down. The under trail braking, the rear end of the car also wanted to step out on me, and it was just a handful. So unfortunately, didn't place quite where we wanted to, but it's a long race, and we're going to be charging to the front.